जिनकी वजह से हम सब यहाँ पे हैं और पाकिस्तान के लिए भी, मेरे लिए भी, आप सब के लिए बहुत ही ख़ास दिन है क्योंकि दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मेकिंग द विशेस ऑफ three terminally ill children come true. This is also about starting and continuing a beautiful relationship between Pakistan and Turkey. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आयशा उमर आज के लिए और हम शुरू कर रहे हैं ऑल्दो कुछ हमारे गेस्ट्स अभी भी रास्ते में हैं बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि ये एक लाइव इवेंट है वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर बीइंग हियर. सबसे पहले तो आप सबको बताते चलें कि हम यहाँ किस की वजह से मौजूद हैं. मेक अ विश फाउंडेशन का सबको पता है पाकिस्तान में पिछले 13 इयर्स से मेक अ विश फाउंडेशन बहुत सारे बच्चों की विशेस को है उनको पूरा कर रहे हैं. 13,000 विशेस आज तक ग्रांट की हैं मेक अ विश फाउंडेशन ने. ये एक्चुअली एक ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन है एंड इट्स इन 50 कंट्रीज और पाकिस्तान में जो मेक अ विश फाउंडेशन है उसके फाउंडर मेंबर मिस्टर, जो मैं कहूँगी कि ही इज़ जस्ट अ रियली लवली मैन क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसका देयर इज़ नो मैच. टर्मिनली इल बच्चों की ख्वाहिशों को पूरा करना और कोशिश करना कि हर तरह की ख्वाहिश पूरी हो. एक ऐसा it's just I think it's a gesture which is unmatchable. So we're all here because of Mr. Ikhtiar Beg and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg who's also here. But उनके बारे में हम थोड़ा सा आपको बाद में बताएंगे. अभी बताते चलें कि हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं. Should we begin? First of all, I'd like to welcome all our VIP guests sitting here. Thank you so much for being here. Consul General Turkey, His Excellency Tolga Ocak, Mr. Iftikhar Shalwani, the Commissioner of Karachi, Mr. Aftab Imam, Commissioner of Income Tax, Mr. Salim Hassan Vattu, Mr. Hussain Vattu, Mr. Shahid Hussain, the Make-A-Wish trustees, Justice Retired Mrs. Ashraf Jahan, Dr. Ikhtiar Beg, Dr. Farhan Isa, and some very prominent and top people from our industry, our media industry. Mr. Humayun Saeed जो रास्ते में है, पहुंच रहे हैं. Mr. Nadeem Beg who's seated right here. Miss Nida Yasir is supposed to be here as well. Is she here? No, she's also on her way. Zeba Bakhtiar को भी हम expect कर रहे हैं. And we also have Shafat, Ali, Madiha, Abdullah Sultan, Huma Mir, Amir Shah, Muhammad Shoaib. Some of them are present, some are on their way. So जब पहुंच जाएंगे we're going to welcome them. But we're going to continue क्योंकि जो हमारे special guest हैं वो online आ चुके हैं. हम सबको पता है कि हम यहाँ पे किससे मिलने के लिए मौजूद हैं. जो तीन टर्मिनली इल जो बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी ख्वाहिश जाहिर की कि उन्होंने अपने हीरो से मिलना है, वो सिर्फ उनकी ख्वाहिश नहीं थी, वो हम सब की ख्वाहिश है, पूरे पाकिस्तान की ख्वाहिश है, मेरी ख्वाहिश है, आप सब की ख्वाहिश है टू मीट आवर हीरो राइट नाउ जो हम सब के दिलों पर राज कर रहे हैं, पूरे पाकिस्तान के दिलों पर राज कर रहे हैं. एर्तुगरुल उनका नाम है इन द टीवी शो, लेकिन his actual name, if you all know and if you don't, his actual name is Engin Altan Dozyatan. So let's welcome him. He is online. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Can you hear us, Engin? Mute kiya.
Alaikum salam. How are you? Yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear us.
How are you?
Very good. How are you? And welcome. We have all been dying to see you, to meet you, and thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, Engin, the entire country right now is watching, has been watching, has started watching Ertugrul Ghazi. And of course, you know that we're in love with it. I am too. I've just finished season 1 and I'm starting season 2 right now. I cannot wait. So these 3 terminally ill children, they express their wish to meet you physically. It's not possible because of COVID, but virtually they're meeting you. And this is something which they thought was impossible, but you're making it come true. Make-A-Wish Foundation is helping it come true. And we cannot be more grateful that you have actually, agreed to do this. So without any further ado, we're going to begin the event. But in the beginning, we're going to start with a holy recitation from the Quran, a recitation from the Holy Quran. So can we just take a few minutes for that? कौन आ रहे हैं recitation के लिए? Salim Qureshi is coming. Middat is coming. Middat आ रही हैं, Middat Hidayat. She is a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. And मज़े की बात है, इन्होंने जो पाकिस्तानी वर्जन है, ओरिजिनल जो साउंड ट्रैक है, वो भी इन्होंने गाया है एर्थरोल का. सो आइए.
हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. इन्ना आतैनाकल कौसर फसल्लि लिरब्बिका वनहर. Inna shaniyaka huwal abtar. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Indeed, we have granted you Al-Qasr. So pray to your Lord and sacrifice. Indeed, your enemy is the one cut off. Jazakallah.
Jazakallah. Thank you, Middat. And now I would like to invite the man behind it all. जिनकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे हैं, जिन्होंने ये सब कुछ possible किया हमारे लिए. The founding president of Make-A-Wish Foundation, Mr. Ishtiaq Beg, who is also the Honorary Consul General of Morocco. I'm going to invite him up here to say a few words and to express his feelings about today.
Thank you, Aisha, very much. First of all, since Aisha has acknowledged everybody present here, I don't want to waste time because I know that how the time is precious, and the chief guest who is sitting here, Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim, on behalf of Make-A-Wish Pakistan, its Board of Trustees, I would like to thank my chief guest, Mr. Engin, for sparing time from your busy schedule for fulfilling the wishes of 3 Make-A-Wish terminal children who are suffering from critical illnesses. Your meeting with these children will certainly bring a smile on their faces, whose most cherished wish was meeting you. Here I would like to acknowledge again and introduce my distinguished guests who are a great support to Make-A-Wish Foundation and present here to witness today's wish granting ceremony. My dear brother, the Consul General of Turkey, Mr. Tolga Ocher, Consul General of Turkey, Mr. Iftikhar Shalwani, just now he called me anytime he will be here, the Commissioner Karachi, Aftab Imam Sahab, a dear friend and very big supporters to Make-A-Wish Pakistan. Mr. Bhatto is also here, and of course Justice Ashraf Jahan, who is also Make-A-Wish trustee, and some other trustees are present here. Dr. Najia Ashraf, Dr. Fran Isa, and my brother Akhtiyar Beg, and of course his family. Also present today some leading celebrities. They will be here any moment, so you can meet them. They will be here, and I think Aisha has already mentioned their name over here. Here, a little bit about Make-A-Wish Pakistan. That Make-A-Wish Pakistan is the affiliate member of Make-A-Wish International. The biggest wish granting organization in 50 countries, and Pakistan is the affiliate member. Since inception 13 years ago, The foundation has granted thousands of wishes of the children in Pakistan. Many children are not among us today, but we are glad, we are delighted. These children, they left this world with a smile on their faces because their most cherished wish was fulfilled in this world. People of Pakistan, now I am addressing to the chief guest of today's Mr. Engin, that the people of Pakistan, they consider you as a hero, and you are the hero of the Muslim world. You are not only a great star, but you are also a great human being who is doing great work for the humanity. I read about you that in Africa, you have done a lot of good work for the poor people, especially, the drinking water in many rural areas. You took initiative. And today, when Make-A-Wish Pakistan contacted you, we know how busy and how precious your time is. You told us that don't worry about me, whenever it's convenient for you. And now these 3 children who are here, they are very excited, they are very happy because their most cherished wish is going to be fulfilled in a little while. Like I said, that the foundation Make-A-Wish, always they have granted very unique wish. But today's wish is very unique because the whole Pakistan is watching you. How popular you are, you can't imagine over here. Not among the viewers who love you, who adore you, but also Make-A-Wish children. They love you and they adore you. I tell you one thing, if you will contest an election in Pakistan, honestly you will win the election and you can be a member of the parliament here. So don't forget, try your luck here. And Pakistan, they are full of love and affections for you. These children are from the less privileged families, and they could have asked any wish, material wish. If they would have asked us to give them any car, we would have given them. They would have asked us to give them any expensive mobile, we would have given them. But the wish was that they wanted to meet you. It shows their love and their affections for you. Turkey and Pakistan are 2 brother countries. His Excellency is sitting here, a dear brother, the Consul General of Turkey, always supported Pakistan in every difficult time and tough time. Turkey has always supported. And now, your play is like a bridge, is playing a role of bringing 2 more people together. And Make-A-Wish is also bringing the 2 people of 2 countries more closer. Today, I had 2 more children from Lahore, which is another city. But somehow these children could not make it because not well. But I am bringing them to Istanbul to meet you. And I hope that you will give us the time and you will meet these children over there. At the end, I would like you to visit Pakistan as a special guest of Make-A-Wish Pakistan. There are more children, like I said, who wish to meet you in person. May God give you good health, success and prosperity to continue the noble work of the Muslim. Pakistan-Turkey friendship. Zindabad.
Thank you, Mr. Ishtiaq Beg. That was, you said everything. जो मैंने कहना था सब आपने कह दिया. But I mean, Pakistan-Turkey friendship Zindabad. And now, I would like to invite the children. Where are the children? Where are they sitting? Here. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. आपको नजर आ रहे हैं? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनसे? बिल्कुल कहना चाहेंगे. Engin, can you see the 3 children? If we could zoom in on the
I can't
children.
see anything now.
You can't see anything. Okay. We've lost our side of the Now you can see. Okay, great.
Yes.
So-
Now, yes.
So these are the three.
Hello, children. Hello, guys. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish इन बच्चों की वजह से पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रज़ा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Earthroll on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most is that gesture that when you ever mention our holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you always put your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. हम सबको करना चाहिए, है ना?
बिल्कुल.
That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you. It's very, so I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं कि बहुत शुक्रिया आपके प्यार का. उनको नज़र आ रहा है कि आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं, सो वो अपने दिल से शुक्रिया अदा कर रहे हैं आपके प्यार का. कुछ और कहना? बोलो.
और ड्रामे में जो आपकी एक्टिंग है वो बहुत रियल लगती है. जिस तरीके से आप लड़ते हैं, तलवार से आप अपनी लड़ते हैं, तुरगुत अपनी कुल्हाड़ी चलाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Okay.
और मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने अर्तुगरुल गाजी का ड्रेसअप किया है तो आज मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ?
ओके, बट कैन वी हम दोनों लड़कियों को भी बोलने दें, फिर मैं इकट्ठे उनको बताऊंगी ताकि सब इकट्ठे अपने कपड़े दिखाएं. हाँ जी. आपका क्या नाम है?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम
मेरा नाम सिदरा है. मुझे ड्रामा बहुत पसंद है. मेरी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को सबको बहुत पसंद है. मेरी विश थी अर्तुगरुल गाजी से मिलना. मेका विश वालों ने मेरी विश पूरी की. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. ड्रामे में जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के आई हूँ. बताएं मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ?
ओके, बिल्कुल. और आप कुछ कहोगी? आपने भी बोलना है. ठीक है, बोलो. फिजा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम फिजा है. मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ. सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुई. आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. आपको चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेका विश वालों ने मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी की. थैंक यू मेका विश.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what all three children have said. So we'll start with Suhail. Suhail has said that he loves your acting, and it's very realistic, and the way you fight in your fight sequences, it's very realistic. It doesn't look like acting at all. And he's dressed up in Turkish, the attire from the show, and he'd like to show it to you. Have we lost connection? Kya hua? Uh-oh, we have to pause. This is the new normal, guys. हमें patiently इंतजार करना होगा. Oh, we're back. Yes, Humayun and Zeba are here. हम आते हैं बाद में. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, the attire from the show, from that time period.
Yes.
And he'd
Yes,
like to
I
show
can
it to
see.
you. So, आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
In front camera, आ जाइए बेटा.
And that's
Oh,
Sidra.
Islam.
This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halime Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halime? This is Sidra. This is Sidra.
Yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay, and she.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
बिल्कुल
She's
आप
so sweet.
आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह. बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying. Thank you. Thank you, bachcho. And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The children, the three children, and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a sword, and it's for you from us. Of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Iftikhar Beg.
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order, and there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved. Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency the Consul General, and with us also the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency, come here. Excellency, come on, beta. Aisha, you come here also. It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before, and she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi Middat, Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi? Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us. Thank you, Middat. That was beautiful. Thank you. Middat is also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation and she sings beautifully. Thank you. And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much to Make-A-Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us. Thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, we hope to also meet you very, very soon. I finally figured out which camera was capturing me so I can look at you. I think it was that one. But we also hear that you will be visiting Pakistan soon and we cannot wait. So thank you for this. And now I'd like to invite the Turkish Honorary Consul General, His Excellency, Consul General, His Excellency Mr. Tolga Ocak, to come and say a few words. Please, His Excellency.
He's the Turkish Consul General. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. And today, with the kind invitation of the Ishtiaq Baik and the Baik family, we are together here for the, of course, for the wish of the kids. And I would like to also thank our hero, Engin Bey, Engin Altan Tüzyatan. We are together indeed from the same university. I also study in the same university, the Kuzeyli University with him. But I am a bit older than him. But I'm maybe 2 years older than him. But I'm here almost for 3 years. And that's why I know how the Pakistani people have a big heart for Turkish people here. Because I am a part of it now. After 3 years. Thank you very much for Pakistan for keeping us in their hearts, and believe us that we also Turkish people keep you in our heart very sincerely, and especially for the kids we can do everything. That's why Engin Bey is now with us today. That's why for the kids, for our future, we have to look back always the history, and history teach us sometimes. And that's why he has a big mission in this serial and this drama. And today we have, of course, also very talented producers and actors, Humayun Said, with us. And we know him very well in Turkey also. Everybody is fan of him also. That's why we have some cross-cultural contributions for our relations. And this will also affect the youth and the younger generation that will continue our continuous relation in a deep and sincere way. Thank you very much again for the kind invitation.
Thank you, Your Excellency. You're absolutely right. We love the Turkish and we also know that the Turkish love us. Thank you so much. And we're very grateful to Turkey for actually creating this show, because I don't think there's any show in the world that is depicting Islamic history so beautifully. Thank you so much. And yes, you have a very big mission and you're fulfilling it very well. Now I'm going to move on to some of the very important people from our industry who are sitting right in front of us. Mr. Humayun Said, he's one of the top actors of the country. He's also a director and he's also a producer. Ms. Zeba Bakhtiar is also one of the top actors, producers, directors of our country. Seated next to her is Mr. Nadeem Beg, who is one of the top, in fact, the top director of Pakistan right now. They will be visiting Turkey very soon as well. And I will now send the mic over to them if they have a few words to say to you. Yes, I'm going to call them here. Humayun, Ajayi. Mr. Humayun Said. I think if we were to make a version of Ertugrul, Humayun would play your character.
Hello, Engin. Abe.
Assalamu alaikum.
Inshallah, we will meet you soon. After this. I watched all your episodes, like 400 or 500 episodes, you know, and the main reason was your acting. Seriously, the way you perform your character, the way you carried your, character, the way you fight, the way you do all action scenes, they were really, really good. Seriously, I watched all the episodes just because of you. You're too good, mashallah. And thank you, इश्तियाक भाई, आपने ये इस काम को लेके बहुत अरसे से चल रहे हैं और मैं भी 2 दफ़ा इन बच्चों से मिल चुका हूँ और आपने इन बच्चों की खुशी के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, इनकी ख्वाहिशात को पूरा किया है और यकीनन इनकी ये भी ख्वाहिश होगी कि अर्तुल से आज हम सब मिल रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अर्तुल. तो अर्तुल एंगन, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Humayun. And now I'd like to invite Ms. Seba Bakhtiar to come and say a few words.
I'm so sorry,
Oh, wow.
but
Yes,
I don't have
you don't have too
much
time.
time, and I have to go to meeting now.
Oh, okay. We're just going to take 5 more minutes.
Assalamu alaikum. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I want to thank you for playing.
Yes, so sorry.
Okay. And it's a contribution to Islamic history. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're going to wrap up the session. Thank you so much, Engen, for your precious time. We're going to take one photograph. It's going to take literally 1 minute. So can I have everybody up here for a photograph? And then we're going to say goodbye to you. Okay. Hello. Thank you so much for your precious time. Engen, just one last question. Do you have 1 or 2 minutes or do you have to go right now?
I have to go right
You have to go right now. Okay. We wanted the press to ask a few questions, but unfortunately he has to leave.
now. Sorry.
No, not at all. We totally understand. Thank you. We love you once again. Cannot wait to meet you. And you're just amazing. Thank you for this. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything.
And he's gone. Guys, of course, time की तो बहुत कीमती time है, and I think we started a few minutes late. Otherwise, we would have, had the media ask a few questions. लेकिन this is just